Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into something perfect for all your celebrations, whether it's birthdays, weddings, or graduations. This right here is the QIKSION black card box with gold foil design, and spoiler alert, it's one of the best birthday card box holders for parties you can find. Let's talk about why this is such a standout choice. The QIKSION black card box isn't just about looks, it's about functionality and style that really elevates any event. Whether you're planning a birthday bash, a wedding reception, or even a baby shower, this box is designed to impress. Here's what sets it apart. First off, the design, black with stunning gold foil accents. It's classic, elegant, and fits seamlessly into any party theme. The size is generous at 8.7 inches all around, ensuring you can collect all your greeting cards and gifts without worry. Now, let's talk about assembly. No one wants to spend hours putting together a card box, right? Well, good news, this one is foldable and super easy to set up. Just follow the simple instructions provided, and you'll have it ready in seconds. That means more time enjoying your party and less time stressing over setup. What I love most is the DIY potential. You're not stuck with a plain box. Feel free to unleash your creativity. Whether it's adding your own floral arrangements, personalizing with themed stickers, or even painting it to match your decor, the QIKSION black card box encourages you to make it your own. And hey, it's not just me who's impressed. It's sturdy, value for money, and gets top marks for being easy to assemble. Plus, QIKSION offers great customer support, ensuring you're always satisfied with your purchase. So, if you're looking for the best birthday card box holder for your next party or any special occasion, look no further than the QIKSION black card box with gold foil design. It's stylish, practical, and guaranteed to make your event unforgettable. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews like this. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.